So I've just replaced the seal around my door. The previous owner had just a seam seal with no flap. What I've done is adjusted the hinges already. So these 8 screws I had to replace. They were pretty well spent. I've also moved the door out as far as the adjustment will allow on both the top and the bottom. I've added a shim behind about the thickness of an ice cream tub. And what happens is the door is being held open this is as far as you can go before it really starts to give you resistance. And what I think is happening is the leading edge of the door is pressing pretty hard up against the seal. So what I've been toying with is the alignment here. I've tried filing the top of this custom-made post. Clearly it was already started. A previous owner did that. And then some notches on this piece, which are not present over on the passenger door. But anyhow, I'll try and get a view of it as it shuts. Oh, here's this portion of the door. I don't know if you can see anything useful here or not. Give it a still shut there for a moment. And as it closes, you can see the mess of my workshop behind me. So as it closes, it will actually latch. Oh boy, is this hard to get a clear picture. But it will do one latch if I push pretty hard, like really hard. Of course, it doesn't do it for the camera, but I usually have both hands free. But if I push a bit more, it'll click. Just one though. Now, if I take the seal out, why don't I just do that? I take the seal out, get it out of the way, and then shut it. It will actually click twice. So there's the first click and the second. And the alignment is great. It looks good. It's a bit inset, but I could live with that if it would just stay that way. But I have no more adjustment up front to bring it out any further. This plate is as far towards the outside of the car as it will go. And of course, I don't know how to get to the one on top, but I'm sure it's the same. So if anybody's got any tips for me, would really love to hear it, because this has been trouble. And I really would like to get a seal going on the door as opposed to the old one, which was just this kind of gross edge seal. So yeah, thank you.